The school district of New Berlin is a Milwaukee suburb with a very diverse population of learners. I'm Caroline Habig. I am the coordinator of teaching and learning. When we started down this road of thinking about how can computer science education and computational thinking and problem solving fit within our elementary school day, people ask, where does this fit? How does it work?
Some teachers were really hesitant because they knew nothing about computer science. You know, you had your pockets of teachers who were interested in coding, for example, or they would do something with robotics. But a lot of our teachers either relied on someone like me to come in and help do that, or the students might not have had that opportunity. With this, it was helping get all teachers to that comfort level. Having the structure provided from CodeHS really, I think, put our teachers at ease and made them excited to see their students and the excitement that they had.
Instead of putting all of those steps where the dance is, you just plug your function in. I was asked to pilot this program. CodeHS provides so many good resources, and so I advise you to really dive into those and utilize them. There's videos that show you the full lesson and how to teach it to kids. Start off by running a couple classes using those videos, and then you'll start to feel more comfortable teaching on your own.
We had over 40 teachers and over 500 students be a part of our computer science pilot, where we were able to really explore what the platform in CodeHS worked like for students, as well as the curricular platform for teachers. Having the time to really think about a semester-long pilot and work with CodeHS as a partner in developing that partnership has been really useful in terms of moving them into full implementation. We know these skills are so important.
So I think computer science is important, especially starting young at the elementary level. When you go to a computer science class, typically there were a lot of male students and not a lot of female students. And even when talking to our computer science teachers, they were excited about the prospect of elementary students learning about computer science because they were hoping that it would lead to more of those female students taking those courses once they're in middle school and high school. Regardless of if they become someone in computer science or not, it's all about that computational thinking ability to break things down into smaller pieces.
Does anyone know a special way I could figure out how many he needs to go up?
I think it's great for kids to have endless opportunities in kindergarten and beyond. Some of the introduction lessons were the biggest spark for our kids. They love adding characters and new events. It's just been a great opportunity for them to explore some of their creative side as well.
When it comes to curriculum, there's many options out there. It really came down to looking at what provided us with clear pathways to reach student standards and to bring our teachers into that process as seamlessly as possible. CodeHS provided lessons that had consistency. They provided standards and rubrics that allowed us to get real tight on what are those skills and competencies that kids need, and how do we work within this program to do that strategically. Schools are demanding, days are full, teachers are busy, and having a partnership where we can work directly with CodeHS has been a huge part of our success as well.